Welcome to PA Timber Ghost. Another lovely Sunday morning. Currently we are at Crow's Nest Preserve looking for some wildlife, and there's a mini library here I'm going to make a donation to. You want to see some wildlife, come here early, about 7 a.m. I saw a doe with a fawn walking up the trail, and I did see a mink dart across the trail also with a mouse in its mouth. Today we're going to make a donation to the mini library, which is on the edge of the field. And you're welcome to read these books. If you would like to buy either one of these, Amazon currently has both of them, I do believe. My first book, since we went to the Ned Smith Center for Nature and Art last week, will be gone for another day. I'll put this in the mini library. You can give it a read. Got my PA Timber Ghost stickers on the back if you would like to subscribe to my channel. Book number 2 was given to me by a very close friend I've known for a lot of years. And this one's about chickens. We both, for some reason, would love to own a farm and raise some chickens and turkeys. Anything you want to know as far as poultry is in this book. This is also a very good read. And my stickers also in the back if you would like to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for all the new subscribers. If you subscribe to my channel this weekend, I picked up a few more. Give my videos a like. Hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel grow, and that motivates me to make more great videos. My channel is growing since the YouTube meetup, so we'll put this in the mini library here in the field. Going for another day. This can be purchased at the Ned Smith Center for Nature and Art. And this is also available on Amazon, which I will put links to in the description section of this video. Let's make our donation to the mini library. Alright, let's find a spot in here. Put these 2 cool books. Give both of these a read. They are both really cool books. Let's move my camera over here a little bit. We will put this on the top shelf. And looking forward to the comments I get from my viewers for reading those 2 cool books. Let's close the door here. Both of these books are in the library. Stop at Crow's Nest Preserve. Give them both a read while you're sitting here enjoying some of the serenity. Now we're going to sit on a bench on another field here on the other side. And we'll sit here and relax for a few minutes, see if we see any more wildlife. Lots of bugs today, lots of black flies and mosquitoes. So if you come here, be prepared for the bugs. I think that rain that we had last night made them very active. You can hear all the crows in the background. Let's spin the camera around and listen to some of the crows. Pennsylvania has always had a large crow population. The ravens are also starting to work their way into the territory. 2 totally different birds, even though they're from the same family. Ravens make a very gravelly sound and all kinds of strange noises. Both birds are very intelligent. They can mimic a lot of sounds. Turkeys, cats, dogs. Some people have them for pets. When crows nest, they usually nest in pairs of 3. You have the male and the female and a guard. So when the parents go off to look for food, the guard will protect the nest. There we go. Still very peaceful here. I don't hear any much background noise. Just the crows on the other hedgerow singing their music. Lots of bugs. Lots of mosquitoes and black flies today. Which insect do you fear the most being bitten by, a mosquito or a black fly? Mosquitoes have a hypodermic needle, and a lot of times you can't even feel them bite you. But a black fly has jagged teeth, so when they bite you, you will know. I had one bite me here. I have a knot coming on my fingers. I have knots on my wrists, and they already bit me in the back of my neck. So if you come here, be prepared for a lot of bugs. Currently I'm sitting in a cloud of black gnats. They're very annoying also, but they don't bite like the black flies do. Black flies are very annoying to me. Thanks for watching this short video. If you like this kind of video, give it a like. It helps the algorithm. Hit that subscribe button, help my channel grow. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost.